Alright, so welcome to this lesson where we're going to take a look first of all at browser support for CSS 3D transitions. So let's go ahead and open up this website, which is caniuse.com/transforms3d, and you'll be able to see we have a whole host of browsers at the top here, and not just desktop browsers but also mobile browsers as well, such as iOS Safari and the Android browser and quite a few others. So as you can see here, we have lots and lots of information of browsers that just simply do not have any support for CSS 3D transforms. Also, you'll notice that with some of these browsers, what you actually need to do is use a CSS prefix, such as WebKit or Moz, to get the CSS 3D transforms to work in that particular version of the browser. And as you can see with the current version, with Internet Explorer 10 bringing in partial support for CSS 3D transforms, you can start to see there's a lot of green right there. So this is definitely the future. So what we need to do is first of all understand that we want to create a great user experience for the people that are on the current browser. That's our first focus. However, when it comes to older browsers, we can't just simply ignore them. There's too much market share in those older browsers just to go, oh no, well, we won't bother with that. We must make sure we provide fallback support so those older browsers still get a great user experience. But it's not going to be as good if they're on the latest or current version of the particular browser. So what we're going to do is use a tool called Modernizer, and again it is an indispensable tool right here. And what we need to do is scroll down, and as you can see here I've ticked CSS 3D transform, so that's what I want to check for. You can also check for a whole host of other things as well. Also, what I've gone ahead and done is said add CSS classes, so this will add CSS classes to the root HTML element, and that will tell us whether we have 3D support, and again support for other stuff as well. I've also put a class name prefix on here of 3D, but again you don't have to do that, that's entirely optional. Once I've done that, I can go ahead and generate the script, and then I can download it. Now I've gone ahead and downloaded that little script right here, and what I've done is I've actually placed this into this little HTML file right here. So if I double click, you'll be able to see that I get this test3d.html file open, and even though I can't see anything, what I'm going to do is go ahead and inspect this element right here, and as you can see this is the HTML root element, and we have a class of 3D, so there's my prefix 3D, and then it has JS right there, and then we also have 3D, which again is the prefix CSS transforms 3D. So I've just basically applied that little prefix onto there. Again, that is entirely optional, but however, that's what we have right here. So then what I can do is perhaps use JavaScript or use CSS to again change the transform from 3D to 2D, and then if 2D isn't supported, which I can also check with Modernizer, then I can go ahead and use JavaScript to, let's say, fade stuff in and out, slide stuff up and down. So this is how we're going to provide fallback support for the older browsers that do not have support for CSS 3D transforms. Nice and easy. And as you can see, all I've done is basically just put that script right here, just pasted it in, and it's done all the hard work for me. Nice and easy. So thanks for watching this lesson, and in the next lesson what I want to do is show you the 3D environment and understand how it actually works from a browser's perspective. So thanks for watching.